Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today is our second lecture for English. So I think you have bought your books. This is the book Cranford Language Toolkit Book 2. So if you come to the contents, we will start from the grammar, structured grammar, which is parts of speech. And the first topic is noun. So can you please open your page number 64? So you have studied in your previous classes that what is a noun. When noun comes to your mind, it says like the name of a place, thing or person. So here they have given the definition of noun. In the first line, a noun is a word which denotes the name of a person, place or thing. For example, Salman, Lahore, table. So the name of the person, places or things like table, chair, these are the things. Places, Lahore, Sialkot, Pakistan, and person like Shiraz, like me, Zahid, whatever. These are the examples of your noun. So noun is further divided into subkinds. So there are 5 kinds of noun. First is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. If we talk about proper noun, the first heading is proper noun. Let's read the example for it. Pakistan is famous for dairy products. So here Pakistan is the proper noun. Henry was a king. Here Henry is the proper noun. So he writes that in the aforesaid sentences, Pakistan and Henry are the names of a particular country and person respectively. They are proper nouns. When you give the particular name to a thing, place or person, let's suppose Quaid-e-Azam, it is a proper noun. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, because he is a famous personality and this is a proper noun. Lahore, it is a proper noun because it is a particular name of a place. So if we see the definition note, it is written a particular name given to a noun is said to be proper noun. When a particular name is given to a thing or person or place, then it is known as a proper noun. Then comes the common nouns. You have many other examples also. England, the president of America, Trump, then all the other famous personalities or places you have known, they are our proper nouns. So coming to the common noun, if we read it, they have given the following sentences. For example, an ant lives in a hole. An old man should be helped. Here ant, hole and man are the common nouns. In the aforesaid sentences, ant, hole and man are the common names for all ants, holes, all men respectively. So ant, hole and man are common nouns. So when you talk about a thing, person or place, like parks, every park comes into the parks. That is a common noun for all the parks. Common name for all the parks. Boy, girl, all the boys and girls are common nouns. All lies in the boys category. All the boys lies in the boys categories. So if you do not use the name of a person or thing or place, then it is a common noun. So like tables, like chairs, they are infinitely, you cannot measure the quantity of them. They are infinite. chairs, persons, boys, girls, hair. So these are all common nouns. They are all same for everything. The common noun of a person, thing, or place is known as a common noun. The common name for a thing, person, or place is known as uh, like country. Okay, this is a common noun. Country, every country lies in the category of countries. Okay, so let's talk about the collective noun. A mob of people, a mob crowded the municipal hall. And there is another example. As the gardeners shook the vine, a bunch of grapes fell down on the ground. When you talk about collective noun, collective, what sense come to your mind when you pronounce the word collective? Collective means collection of something, combining something in a category. So when you talk about like 100 years, that is known as century. Like when you take eggs, you say, please give me 1 dozen or 2 dozens of egg. Doesn't mean 12. When you talk about decade mean 10 years. Okay, so collective mean collection of something. Like bunch of grapes, he used a mob. A mob mean people, gathered people. So the persons or thing taken together as one whole. All the things are taken as one whole. Like class, all the students in the class. So you cannot name each of them. You say class 7. So class is a collective noun. One whole constitute a. Let's read the definition for this. The persons or things taken together as one whole constitute a collective noun. So they have given us the brief list of some collective nouns. A galaxy of stars. Galaxy is a collective noun. Thousands and millions of stars come in it. A mob of people, a century of years. Century is a collective noun and it is a period of 100 years. A clump of trees. Clump, when you use clump, so it means a lot of trees. So this is a collective noun and you can read all the examples they have given here. A list of examples. Now let's talk about material noun. They have given us 2 examples here. Water is the elixir of life. Silk is produced by silkworms. So here water and silk is a material noun. Water and silk represent material nouns in the aforesaid sentences. Material is anything that you can touch, that you can feel. Water is a material, it is a matter, it is a substance. Silk is also a material, matter. Then when you talk about material noun, anything that lies in this category, like which you can touch, which you can feel, which has the physical appearance, then you say that this is a material noun. Like cup, like bicycle, bike, these are all material nouns. So if we talk about the last category but not the least, abstract noun. Abstract nouns. When we talk about abstract noun, they have given us some examples here. Sonu is fond of dancing. Here dancing is an abstract noun. Hafsa's behavior towards her elders is not appreciable. Behavior, here Hafsa's behavior is an abstract noun. Old age brings many diseases in its train. Old age is an abstract noun here. The name of, let's read the definition to, the name of a quality. Quality, action or state. The state of a thing, or name for a state, name for an action, or name for a quality is known as an abstract noun. Name of various arts, sciences, and professions are also abstract nouns. Name of various arts, painting, dancing, sciences like mathematics, physics. These are all the professions, teachers, principals. So these are all the abstract nouns. These are the quality, action, and states. Let's see the examples for quality. Cunningness. You cannot see it, you just feel it. The things that you feel, or the states, or the actions, or the quality, that is known as abstract noun. The feelings of something that you cannot feel, that you cannot see or touch. You cannot see the physical appearance of that thing, but you feel it. That is in your senses, and you feel it yourself. When you talk about quality, cunningness, it is a sense of person, that he is a cunning person. You senses it. Cleverness, it is also a quality for a person. Kindness, truthfulness, softness, brightness, these are other qualities of a person. When you feel it, that comes to the abstract noun. Action like theft. Theft is an action which you cannot physically feel, physically see, or physically touch. That is just a feeling like theft, to snatch something or to take something from someone. Mischief, like we talk about state, death, sleep, sickness, poverty, mania, youth, manhood, childhood. These are the states. Childhood, old age, these are all the states where a person stands, and you can feel it. You can feel it in your mind, but you cannot go and physically touch it, the state, or an action, or a quality. You just feel it, and you just imagine that this is the thing, like dancing, singing. These are all the abstract nouns. So in arts, sciences, and professions, they have given us some examples: physics, mathematics, painting, music, history, literature. So the rest of the nouns part, we will do it in the next lecture. So it is enough for today, I think so. So the assignment for you is to write the examples and definitions of noun and its kind. Thank you.